What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to tie on a fishing lure, such as one just like this, or a little snap swivel as this, which I like to use all the time on my lines. But as we can all see, you're all here to learn and figure it out, so I thought I'd share how I do it. And I'm going to share two different ways of how I tie these two lures or snap swivels on for you today. All right, guys, the first knot I'm going to show you is just a good old classic fisherman's knot. So you're going to take your tag end line right here, and then your little head of your lure or whatever you're using, the little loop right here, and you're going to take your tag end and just go right through it, just like that. Then once it's through and it's hanging just like that, you're gonna bend it up just a little bit. Oh shoot, we already have mishaps. And I've done this for a long time. Just like that. See this? We got a good old tag end, it's hanging just like that. And then we're just gonna turn it about 4 or 5 times, depending on how many times you wanna do it and how strong you want it. And then, so once we turn it, then we get this little tiny loop right here, right above it. And we're gonna take this tag end line, as you can see right here, and we're just gonna run the tag end straight through it, just like that. As you can see, it is through it now. And then we are just gonna pull and cinch, just like that. As you can see, the little knot right there, all tied on. And that is the first way of how you can tie on a fishing lure, and it will work for about every single lure you have. I'm going to show you the second way that I also like to tie on the swivel or the hook. It really doesn't matter, but I honestly don't even know what this knot is called. If you know, you can comment it below and help me out. So the first thing we're going to do is, see, this is your tag end. Take that out of my mouth, and we're gonna actually keep the tag end down there, but we're gonna create a little loop up higher, so we have some room, as you can see, some room to go through the lure or the swivel. And so once we do this, we take it and we pinch it into a little like dog ear, and we're gonna take that little dog ear and see the eye of the swivel. We're just gonna go straight through the eye of the swivel, just like this. So then it's, as you can see, it's hanging down again, just like that. Then we're gonna go kind of like you're tying your shoe. We're gonna start here, go around, and then this little loop here, we're gonna go through the hole that we just created, if I can get it. There we go. So now, oh, come off the swivel. Come on, line. So now we're through the little eye, and then this loop we have right here, we're gonna push the swivel right through it, and then we're gonna grab the swivel and cinch it nice and tight. As you can see right there, it's not going anywhere. And those are the two ways that I like to tie on my lures for beginners. Those two knots right there, they'll work for almost the whole time you fish. You don't even have to worry about learning any other ways. Those are the two that I've used for about, I'd say probably 17 years now, and I'm almost 21. So, I mean, they've worked my whole life, but those are the only two that I use. So I hope this video helped you learn how to tie on some fishing hooks for you beginners out there. If you like the outdoors and want to see more content just like this, more fishing outdoors kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video.